Hello everyone, I'm Lubomira and thank you for joining me. If you're visiting for the first time, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, it's great to have you back. If you like the things I share with you, remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons. By selecting that little bell, you'll get notified every time I post a new video so you never miss out on any of the crafty goodness. This week I'm sharing a card that's really a 2-for-1 card using only dies and some paper scraps. Now keep in mind that you can make these as intricate as you like, but I kept mine pretty simple. I really love alphabet dies and they're very versatile. You can arrange any word you like for any occasion you need in whatever style you prefer. Today I'm making 2 cards, one using the positive cutouts and the second using the negative. I only have 2 alphabet die sets in my collection, so you may have seen me use them before. These are from Pinkfresh Studio and I really love using them. The first card I'll be making is using the negative cutout. I like to arrange my letters facing up so I can see the outline of the actual letter rather than just the outer edge of the metal die. I use the grid to line up the letters, and then I tape the letters together using washi tape, making sure to press the tape down to the letter so the letters hold. Next, I flip the letters over and take a second piece of washi tape to tape along the back of the die. When the piece is in place, I can remove the first piece of tape and then place the attached letters onto my cardstock and run it through my die cut machine off camera. Like most crafters, I have a hefty collection of scrap cardstock. I took a few warm colors, some pinks and corals, and cut strips of each using my trimmer. It doesn't take a lot to create a nice bundle. I make these about 1/4 of an inch, but you can make them as thick as you like, and they don't have to be the same either. Once I have my strips, I glue them down to a piece of copy paper using liquid glue. Again, the pattern can be as organized or as random as you like. I find that using my grid helps me align the strips though. I die cut my love panel with a stitched rectangle before applying double-sided tape to the back around the opened letters. I attach a piece of acetate to close those letters and create my shaker window. Next, I add my foam tape around the window, creating the well that will hold the sequins. I went ahead and trimmed my stripped panel to act like a cap to close up my shaker. Doing it this way makes it easier because you won't spill your shaker bits. You close the window, trapping the sequins before turning it over and attaching it to a card base. I place my sequins and attach the stripped panel into place. I'm going to come back to this card a little later to finish. Next, I use the same strips left over and attach them to a card base with glue again, lining them up with the help of my grid. I took the positive cutouts of my letters and die cut 2 more layers of white cardstock and a single layer of black glitter cardstock. I glue the layers together, topping it with the black one. I die cut the stripped panel using the same stitched rectangle as the first card off camera. I glue my letters to the panel. I prefer gluing my letters down in reverse, especially when I'm offsetting the word from the center. In this case, to the right. Now I can finish up both cards by attaching them to bases with foam tape. Lastly, I add some Nuvo drops to each in black and clear. And that finishes these cards. I love the fact that we ended up with 2 cards and they have similar looks but are different too. I didn't make these for anything specific, but I can go back and add sentiment banners for those last minute occasions that I tend to forget about. I'm sure I'm not the only one guilty of forgetting someone's birthday. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave me your comments below. As always, I love hearing from you. You can also tag me over on Instagram if you'd like to share your projects. I'm nosy and I enjoy seeing what you're up to. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I hope life treats you kindly. I'll see you soon with another creation. Bye.